Hello, girls and boys. It is Mr. McAndrew, the math coach. Super excited to be with you again today. We have some really good work to do today. We've been adding numbers this week, right? And using our favorite benchmark number, which is the number 10, because 10 can help us add things together. So let's take a look at our 10's partners. We know that 10's partners are numbers that add up to 10, like 8 and 2, because 8, 9, 10, right? 8 plus 2 makes 10. So let's play one of our favorite games, Splat. Okay, so let's look at how many dots we have. As usual, we should have 10 dots. Let's count to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so we have 10 dots. So let's do a splat and see what gets covered up. Ready? Let's move me out of the way so I don't get splatted. All right, 1, 2, 3, splat. Whoa. Whew. So they all got covered up except for one. So I want you to think in your head. You may already know. If you need to pause the video, that's okay. Speed is not important right now, right? I want you to think about it. How many dots got covered up if there's one left? Okay, so pause it if you need to. Let's take a look. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 dots got covered up because 9 plus one more makes 10. Right? Or we could think of it like subtraction. 10, take away these 9. Right? If I have 10 and I take away those 10, I have 1 left over. Or if I have 1 and I add 9 more, I get 10. So addition and subtraction are very connected. Okay, so we know that another 10's partner is 9 and 1. We also know that, because let's see, 9, right? 9 plus, let's do it this way. 9 plus one more, there's my thumb, gives me 10, 9 and 1. Okay, we also know that 8 and 2, right? Can you do this with your hand? Put your hands up like this. 8 and 2 make 10. Or, let's see, 7, so do this with me. 7 and 3 more, ready? 7 and 3 make 10. It's really important that you guys know these 10's partners. Of course, the easiest 10 partners are these, right? 5 and 5 make 10. 10. 10. Okay, here we go. So let's go on to our word problem of the day. All right, so here we are. I'm on a Mr. McAndrew's floating around. So remember, this math app you can access, okay, because I put a link in there. You can go in here and you can make all sorts of problems for yourself and have fun with, remember, they've got butterflies, they've got, if you click down here, they've got frogs and starfish and penguins and ladybugs and different shapes, and you can pick different colors, like super crazy fun. Okay, so what does this problem say? Let's read it together. Read it with me. It says, Felicia was one of my favorite students when I used to teach. Felicia caught 7 butterflies yesterday in her net. Now remember, we know these nets right here only hold how many butterflies? How many? That's right, 10. They only hold 10 butterflies. Each net only holds 10. You can't put more than 10 because they don't fit. Okay, today she caught 5 more butterflies. Whoa, okay. How many butterflies has she caught? All right, well, maybe some of you already know this, but if not, let's put on our butterflies. We've got, let's do the 5 one. Remember this? If I click this, it drags over 5. Boom, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so we have 7 butterflies. Let's write that down. 7 butterflies. We have 7. And we need to add how many more? Because yesterday she caught 7, but today she caught 5. So we're going to add 5 more. Okay. So now This butterfly net holds 10 butterflies. It's only holding 7 so far. How many spots are left for butterflies? How many more butterflies can she fit in here? That's right, 3 more butterflies. Look, 1, 2, 3. So let's put those in. So we put 3 of those 5 right here. 1, 2, 3. So what we've done so far, boys and girls, is we've taken our 7, right? So we have the 7 butterflies. And we have added 3 more, okay, to get our 10, right? Because we know that this all together, this is 10. Okay, this is all 10. All right, actually, I'm going to erase that. I'm going to make it green because remember, blue and yellow make green. Pretty cool. If you mix blue and yellow paint, it makes green. Okay, but how many more butterflies can we add to this net, to the second net? We've only put 3 of the butterflies in. Well, we still have to add, well, let's find out. Let's find out. We've added 3. Let's count 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we got to put 2, we had to put 2 butterflies in this net because they wouldn't fit in the 10 net, the butterfly net with only 10 butterflies. So we did 7 plus 3 plus 2 more. Okay, so what we did here is we took we know that 7 plus 3 is 10, right? Because we just did that. Those are our 10th partners. We're using 10 to help us add. So we know that, let's see, can I do this? 7 plus 3 more gives me 10, okay? All right, so what we really did was, if I put this in green, we did 7 and 3 makes 10. We still have to add these 2. So we have 10 plus 2. Now that's much easier for me to do in my head. I know that 10 plus 2 more is, drum roll, what is it, boys and girls? That's right, 12. 12. Okay. All right, so remember, you can use this anytime you want, okay? So let's go to our paper. Let's take out our math papers. And, all right, so let's look what this would look like on your paper, okay? So you want to get this down. We're going to do a practice one, then I want you to do one on your own, okay? So same problem about Felicia, all right? So we're going to draw, instead of drawing butterflies, we're just going to draw dots. Because butterflies take a long time to draw. So we have 7 plus 5 more. Okay, and if I'm going too fast, just pause the video and write it down and then catch up, okay? So we're going to do 7 plus 5. We're going to add our 5. First, I'm going to add 3 to the net. So that gives me 7 plus 3. So we're breaking up this 5 into 3, and we need 2 more, right? We said that, 2 more. So the 5 is broken. The 5 butterflies she caught today are, 3 of them are in this net, and 2 of them are in this net. So 3 of them are in this net with the 7, and 2 of them are in their own net. And we know that 7 plus 3, those are 10's partners, is 10. We still have these 2, right? These 2 right here. And that equals what? That's right, 12. Okay? So our equation, or a number sentence, is 7. She caught 7 butterflies yesterday. And then she caught 5 more. And that's the same as 12. Okay? So pause the video if you need to get that down. All right. And then when you're ready, let's move on to the next page. I want you to try this one on your own, doing it the same way that we did over here. Okay, and I want you to write down the numbers the way that I showed you here. Let's make sure you can see that, okay? So I'll read you the problem, then I want you to work on it. And then you can show your teacher later, okay? It says, Bob caught 6 butterflies this morning in his net. Now remember, these nets can only hold how many butterflies? Show me in fingers. Show me. That's right, 10. 10. This afternoon, he caught 5 more. How many butterflies has he caught today? Okay, so solve this the same way we just did Felicia's. Okay, and then you have some practice to do. All right. So as we usually do, I'll do the first one with you, and then you're going to finish the rest of them yourself. So it says, draw dots inside the double 10 frames. So think of these as like butterfly nets to help you solve each problem. The first one is done with Mr. McAndrew in the video. Well, here we are. So let's do this. So we have 9. So let's do 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So let's say we caught 9. I'm thinking 9 butterflies. And let's write that down. 9 butterflies plus 3 more. But I'm going to break up those 3 butterflies. I'm going to put 1 here. So I'm going to put 1 here to make my 10, my 10th partner, right? Because I know that that's going to be 10. And I'm going to add the other. So if I added 1 butterfly here, I still have to add 2 more. So let's say 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I've done 9 plus 3. All right. So up here, I have 9 plus 1. And I have to add 2 more from this net. Okay, so this 1 butterfly is in this net, and these 2 butterflies are in the second net. Okay, so now I know that, boys and girls, if it's easier for you, just watch me do it. Okay, and then when it's done, pause it, write it down, and then you do the other ones. Okay? So if it's too difficult to write it down and listen to me, just don't worry about writing it down right now and wait until I'm done. Okay? So we know that 9 butterflies plus this one right here gives me 10 butterflies. But I still have these 2, so I'm going to add those 2. And that also gives me 12. Okay? You may have noticed that each day I pick a different number to focus on. Today we're going to be doing numbers that add up to 12. Okay? But you got to show the work and prove that you know it adds up to 12. All right, boys and girls. Great job today. Okay, we had a lot of fun. I want you to make sure you finish your word problem about Bob and the butterflies. And I want you to make sure you finish your practice problems. If you have 2 different colors, that's fantastic. If not, it's okay. Okay, but make sure that you show your work here with both the circles and the numbers to show what you did here. Okay? All right, boys and girls. Great job today. Remember, number 10 is our favorite number because if you can get to 10, it makes things a lot easier. Okay, great job. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.